In this Fusion 360 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a 3D scan mesh. This can be something that you made with photogrammetry or something you made with a structured light scanner such as the Artec Leo or other scanner brands. 3D mesh scan data has a lot of points and is not a parametric solid, but we can still insert it into Fusion 360 to work with it with many of the parametric modeling tools. In order to insert a 3D scan mesh into Fusion 360, select Insert, Insert Mesh. Navigate to where your mesh is. It could be an STL file or an OBJ file. Here I have duck.obj. I'll select Open. Once the mesh is inserted, we can orient it and align it to the origin. Because this was scanned with the Artec Leo, it is generally okay in its orientation, but we can improve some things. We can center the mesh by clicking Center, and then we can move it to the ground. What this does is it moves the bottom of the mesh to the ground. May or may not be what we want. In this case, I think it is okay. Then I'll look up at the top, and I can decide if I want to rotate the mesh. If you remember, this here is the front side, so if I click the cube here, I can now rotate this mesh so the duck is a little bit more forward, and then I can move it in this plane to center it a bit more on the particular duck. There are many other alignment tools we can use for non-organic meshes, but first, let's go ahead and have it like this. If I look from the right, we can see that we have an OK section here. I'm going to select OK. This is how you can insert 3D scan mesh data into Fusion 360. We will study how to manipulate this mesh, move it around, slice it, and use it in parametric modeling in later videos. Happy 3D modeling!